Howdy folks, welcome to another episode of Fix It. Today we have a 2009 Hyundai Sonata with a, believe it or not, another broken window switch. I can't make up these stories, folks. This is a real broken switch. You can see it's cracked. So we are going to replace that switch. So we have to remove the entire door panel. So the door panel has a few screws in it that are hidden. We're going to take off the one in here. So we're going to pry this guy out with a little itty bitty flathead screwdrivers, little caps, so hold on to those. And then you're going to have one inside the door handle here that you can pry that up with the same little flathead screwdriver, and then pull it up with your other finger to expose the Phillips head screwdriver that's under there. And then we have another one here. Behind the door switch. We'll get to that later. And we have another one here that has the same pop-off cap, which we've already gotten off. Not without a lot of fighting, but that one came off. And then we have one other one here at the bottom, Phillips head by the speaker. So we're going to take that guy out also. Alright, and then once we have all these off, then we're going to carefully pry out the clips out of it. Okay? Okay, then we're going to use a pry tool. Or you could use a screwdriver, but these are a little bit better. If you can find out where the clips are and put the notch there, you can pry them a lot easier. So you can see on here the yellow clips. That's where you pry back on, and the door will make it a lot easier and you won't break them. So just be careful with those because they're very brittle. You pop them back and go all around this side and the top. Okay, and then we'll pull the whole thing off. Okay, so finally we got this cap over here. So there's a Phillips head screwdriver behind here. We're going to remove that one. And the one inside the door handle itself, we're going to pull that one out. And then there's another one here that we got the cap off of. Undo that one. And the one under the speaker, which we've loosened up already. Okay. Okay, then we're going to have to take this little plate out from the handle, and that should free this up. So we're going to lift up on the panel and unseat it. Make sure it's not hitting the door handle itself, and that should lift off. Cool, it's off. And then inside here, we're going to unplug this harness. See this guy here? It's on there pretty good. Okay, this, you see this little push button here? That goes in as you pull out away from the switch itself, okay? And we'll just pull it out. Okay, so we have the door panel off. So it looks like inside. Here's our switch from the inside. Here's our new switch. It comes just like this. I'll leave a link to the part number in the comment section. So that's what it looks like. So what we're going to do here is take off, this is a little bit different than the other one we did on the Santa Fe. You're going to take these two screws out, these two Phillips head out to replace the switch itself, which is a whole lot easier than the other one because we take the whole armrest out. This one is much better to deal with. Alright, and there she's out. looks correct on the other side. Okay. And put your 2 screws back in. Okay, we'll get these screws in and then get the rest of this back together. Alright, now that we got our 2 screws back in here on the switch, we're going to put the harness back in on the panel. Just push it back up in there. Make sure it's in good. Okay, then we're gonna test it first before we put all the screws back in. So we're gonna hang it temporarily on the door here. So we'll just test it going up, going down, looking good. All right. Once you tested it out, it looks good. And set this on top and push it down. One thing I need to say is these clips inside here, they should be on the panel side, so there shouldn't be any stuck in the door. If they are, pull them out and put them in the panel itself, not on the door. So. And then we're going to pop them back. Pop it back in, pushing it in, all the way around on the bottom. And then we're going to put our plates back in here. And you're going to put all of your Phillips head screws back in here, there, and underneath. And you are done. Alright, well thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe. Take care.